Verb tenses. What is a verb tense? So verb tenses are the conjugated forms of a verb. They determine the time in which an action takes place. For example, in the present tense, I walk to the store. In the future tense, I will walk to the store. And in the past tense, I walked to the store. How many verb tenses are there? There are basically 8 simple tenses and 8 compound tenses in Italian, but you really only need about 5 to get started. Okay, so it may feel overwhelming that there's so many, but just stick to the basics for now, and you can always add more tenses as you progress. So what's the difference between a simple and a compound tense? Simple tenses only require one verb. For example, I go home, vado a casa. A compound tense requires 2 verbs, usually an auxiliary verb, meaning avere or essere, plus a participle or un participio. So, for example, I did come home late. Sono venuto a casa tardi. I have eaten already. Ho mangiato di già. Okay, so as you can see in both of these instances, we added the verb essere, we conjugated to sono for the first person singular, so I. Sono venuto. So in this case, venuto is a past participle of venire, which is to come. So as you can see, we put 2 verbs together. Or I have eaten already. So ho avere. O is a conjugated form of avere in the first person singular. And then mangiato would be the past participle of mangiare. So as you can see, it's a compound because you're putting 2 verbs together.